Hello friends and welcome to Easy Learn. In this video, we are going to see Standard 7 Science question answers of Chapter 2 Plants, Structure and Function. If you like this video, do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the next videos. So let's start. Question 1, fill in the blanks. The part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called the radicle. Thread like or fiber like roots arising from the stem are called fibrous roots. The tip or the apical end of the stem is called a bud. Fourth, the tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Fifth, leaves of some plants have a stalk called a petiole. Sixth, androecium is the male reproductive part of the flower. Seventh, gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the flower. Eighth, seeds which do not divide into two equal parts are called monocotyledonous plants. 9. Maize leaf blade has dash venation parallel. 10th. The peepal leaf blade has reticulate venation. Question number 2. Name the following. First, name the two types of leaves. Answer. The two types of leaves are simple leaves and compound leaves. Second, name the different parts of a flower. Answer. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are the different parts of a flower. Third, name the two main types of roots. Answer. The two main types of roots are tap roots and fibrous roots. Fourth, name the two types of seeds. Answer. The two types of seeds are dicotyledonous seeds and monocotyledonous seeds. Question 3. Give examples of three plants that have first spiny fruits. Answer. Jackfruit, pineapple, lychee. B. Spiny stem. Answer. Cactus, aloe vera, acacia. C. Red flowers. Rose, tulips, hibiscus. Fourth, yellow flowers. Marigold, sunflower, daisy. E. Leaves which close at night. Mimosa, prayer plant. F. Single seeded fruits. Answer mango, jamun, lychee. Many seeded fruits, watermelon, custard apple, papaya. Observe any one flower and its various parts and describe in your own words. Answer. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are the different parts of a flower. First, calyx. In the bud condition, the petals are covered by leaf-like parts called sepals which are green in color. They form the calyx. Corolla. It is made up of colorful parts called petals. They protect the inner essential organs. Third, androecium. This is the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of stamens. Each stamen is made up of anther and filament. Fourth, gynoecium. This is the female reproductive part of the flower. This is made up of carpels. A carpel consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Fertilized ovules form the seeds and the ovary develops into a fruit. What are the similarities and differences between A. Jawar and Moong? Jawar, it is a type of monocot plant. Moong, it is a type of dicot plant. Second, Jawar has fibrous root system. Moong has taproot system. Third, the leaves of Jawar plant show parallel venation. The leaves of Moong plant show reticulate venation. Similarity. Both jawar and moong are annual plants. B. Onions and coriander. Onion, first point, it is a type of monocot plant. Coriander is a type of dicot plant. Onion is a type of vegetable. Coriander is a type of herb. The edible part of onion is bulb. The edible part of coriander is leaf and stems. Similarity, both onion and coriander are annual plants. C. Leaves of banana and mango. Leaves of banana first. The leaves of banana are very long and have bifurcations on their edges. The leaves of mango are short in size. Second, it has parallel venation. It has reticulate venation. Similarity, both banana and mango are perennial plants. D. Coconut tree and jawar stock plant. First, the coconut tree can grow up to 15 to 23 meters. The jawar stock plant can grow up to 2 to 3 meters. Second, leaves of coconut trees are arranged spirally. The leaves of jawar stock plants are arranged in opposite manner. Similarity, both have fibrous roots. Question 5. Describe the functions of various parts of a plant. Answer. The calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are the different parts of a flower. Calyx. In the bud condition, the petals are covered by leaf-like parts called sepals, which are green in color. They form the calyx. Corolla. It is made up of colorful parts called petals. They protect the inner essential organs. Androecium. This is the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of stamens. Each stamen is made up of anther and filament. Gynoecium. It is the female reproductive part of the flower. This is made up of carpels. A carpel consists of stigma, style, and ovary. Fertilized ovules form the seeds and the ovary develops into a fruit. Find the parts of plants. Root, bud, calyx, petals, root, leaf, stem, radicle, flower. Draw a neat and labeled diagram of first parts of a stem, second parts of a leaf, third parts of a flower, fourth taproot, fifth formation of a root. Thank you.